In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to help you out on how you can create your own brush preset on Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud. First thing you have to do is create a canvas, Control N on your keyboard, and let's just make it. By the way, you have to consider creating your Photoshop brush or your brushes to be HD or high definition, HQ, high quality, something like that. You do not create a brush with a 1920 by 1080 canvas. It will be alright, but you're going to be very restricted with the pixels in case you're going to be creating something bigger than 1920 by 1080. So I would recommend maybe go about 3000 for the pixels across and then horizontal, or 5000 would be alright. But for the sake of this tutorial, also for the sake of my video screen capture recording so it won't lag, I'm just gonna make something that says 3500 and maybe 3500 as well, sort of like a square canvas. 72 for the resolution. You can create 300, that's alright. Click on OK. And this time, the brush that we're going to create would somehow include text and some graphic. This is type in tech ph, make adjustments to make it bigger, maybe, and yeah, maybe something like that. Let's say that the brush that you're creating is also your company logo. Let me just add something of a line right here. 3, oop, too small. 25, and maybe the logo that we created right now, you'd want to make it as a brush. Next thing you do is group all the layers, highlight everything, Control G to group, and duplicate again, hide this, right click over, and go something that says convert to smart object, and then hide the background layer, and you're left off with just a transparent background. Again, it's quite important to hide the background layer, because if you do not and then convert that to a brush, it would also include the background as a smart object. So again, the object we only have right here are the pixels specific to the layer 1 or the group 1 copy layer that we actually created. Now if you turn that off, then you're left with nothing. Bring that back in, and you're left with this logo with the transparent background. It's sort of like you're creating a watermark over a blank slate and creating a PNG file out of it. But this time, we want to make it as a brush. You go to Edit, find something that says Define Brush Preset, click on that, and it would show you a thumbnail of the logo that we created right now with the number 3156. That means that I have around 3156 brushes, maybe something like that. Yeah, and then just type in, say, tech ph brush 1, and then click on OK. Control N again, and this time let's just create an HD canvas, 1080. Let's color the background. There you go. And then that will be our new working canvas. Next thing you do is press B on your keyboard, like brush, and there you go. You have your brush presets right here. Let's scroll down a little bit, and you have something that says Tech PH3156. Click on that, and then apply. Oh, sorry, it was a layer. Just raster that. And there you go. Now that's one advantage if you make your canvas bigger. Sort of like you get your HD or high quality brush over your HD canvas right here. Remember that your canvas is 1080. That's a large HD canvas already. But when you apply your brush right here, oh sorry, my brush is the same color. Let me change it to a different color, maybe orange, and press on that. Then you'd get something like that. Let me change it, just say the background only. Oops, sorry, here. And there you go. Oh, let me just up the flow. That's the reason why it's kind of like that. Then just click that in there. And there you go. It's now a brush. What you need to do to resize your brush, Alt, right click, drag left, and that will be it. Again, for some of the quick video tutorials on Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe After Effects, Flash, Camtasia, everything, unboxings, please do check out our channel and as well subscribe. Thanks much for watching.